In a world racing towards silence, one machine whispers power in a language only Tashin understands. What happens when heritage meets the electric pulse of tomorrow? Tonight, we uncover a grand touring secret that reshapes what performance can feel like. For decades, grand touring convertibles have symbolized freedom cars built to create moments, not just miles. From classic cruisers to the AMG era, Mercedes-Benz has continually redefined luxury performance. Now, as electrification reshapes the industry, the real question is how boldly these icons will evolve. And then silence breaks. The Mercedes CLE AMG Cabriolet appears not as a replacement, but as a declaration, a silhouette sculpted by wine, presence, and intent. A machine that feels alive even before the engine breathes. The first glimpse is enough to spark something visceral, anticipation mixed with disbelief. Design here is communication, not decoration. Every line shaped by aerodynamic intent and Mercedes AMG DNA. The front projects confidence, the rear grips with purpose, and the tighter proportions shift focus from nostalgia to pure intent. This is evolution by design, not by chance. Beneath the sculpted body sits a hybrid performance mindset, engineering precision fused with electrified intelligence. Power arrives instantly yet smoothly, while smarter energy recovery, predictive systems, and a confidence-focused chassis remove the old trade-off between thrill and efficiency. Step inside, and the atmosphere shifts from mechanical to emotional. The cabin wraps around the driver like a tailored suit. Intuitive screens, tactile materials, and ambient lighting that breathes with the drive. Technology doesn't compete for attention. It fades into the background, letting the experience take center stage. It's not just about luxury, it's about connection between human and machine. It marks a turning point. Performance convertibles lead electrification, blending luxury, speed, and sustainability into a new grand touring standard. The CLE AMG Cabriolet isn't just progress, it's proof that future performance is about emotion as much as power. Does it redefine grand touring? Comment below and subscribe for more cinematic car stories.